Hey guys, welcome back to the session.
Now exercise 1.2. Here also find the HCF and LCM of the following given pairs of the numbers by prime factorization. In that first problem is 12, 15 and 21. For finding the LCM and HCF, first write these three as a product of primes. First I am writing as a 12 as a product of primes. That is 12 equals to 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. But 6 is what? Composite number. That's why 2 into, again I am writing 6 as a 2 3s are 6. 2 into 2 into 3. That is 12 equals to what? 2 square into 3. And next coming to 15. 15 equals to, how you write this? Here 3 5s are 15. And next one is what? 21. How you write this? 3 7s are 21. Now we have to write out the HCF and LCM. That is HCF of 12 comma 15 comma 21 is equals to what? HCF means what here? Have you write this here? Smallest power of each common prime factor. That is smallest power of each common prime factor. Out of these three, which one is a common prime factor here? 2 is not a common prime factor. And once observe this 3. 3 is in 12 and 3 is in 15 and 3 is in 21. That is, this 3 is the common prime factor. And this 5 and 7 is also not a common prime factors. That's why HCF of 12, 15 and 21 is what here? 3. Because this power is also here 3 power 1, here 3 power 1 and here also 3 power 1. That's why HCF is 3. Next, LCM of 12, 15 and 21. LCM of 12, 15 and 21. That is, LCM means what here? Product of the greatest power of each prime factors. That is, here greatest power of each prime factor means in 2 power 2 is the greatest power. That is 2 power 2, and here in these 3 is the common factor. That is 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 1. That is always the power is 1 only. 3 to the power of 1. And here the remaining is what? 5 and 7. That is 5 power 1 and 7 power 1. And now it is equals to what? 2 square means 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. That is 4 3s are 12 into 5 into 7. That is 12 5s are 60 into 7. 60 into 7 is equals to what? 420. This is the LCM of 12, 15 and 21. Next second problem is 17, 23 and 29. Once you observe all these three, 17, 23 and 29. All these three numbers are what? Prime numbers. That is, the factors of 17 is what? 1 and itself. That is 1 into 17 only. And 23 means what? 1 into 23 only. 29 means 1 into 29. In this case, the easy way to find the HCF and LCM is, HCF means what here? Common factor is the HCF. That is, common factor is what? Only 1 is the common factor of these prime numbers. That's why always HCF is equals to 1. When it is equals to 1, if the given numbers are prime numbers, then HCF is equals to 1. And coming to the LCM, if the given numbers are prime numbers, then the LCM is equals to what? What is the LCM's definition is what here? Product of the greatest power of each prime factors. Greatest power of each prime factor. That is, LCM means here, once you see 17 into 23 into 29. That means here, if the given numbers are prime numbers, then HCF is equals to 1 and LCM is equals to what? Product of the given numbers. Product of the given numbers. Product of the given numbers is the LCM. Next one is 72 comma 108. That is, first write 72 as a product of primes. That is 72 equals to 2 into 2 3s are 6, remaining is here 1, that is 2 6 are 12, 2 36 are 72. Next, how you write this 36 here? 2 into 2 18s are 36. Next, 2 into 2 9s are 18. And next, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 3s are 9. That is 72 equals to 2 is repeated as 3 times, that is 2 cube, and 3 is repeated as 2 times, that is 2 cube into 3 square. Next write 108 is also a product of primes. 108, that is 2 into 2 54s are 108. Again this 54 is written as what? 2 into 2 27s are 54. Next 2 into this 27 is written as 3 power 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now 108 is equals to, this 2 is repeated as how many times? 2 times, that is 2 power 2 into 3 power 3. Now write the LCM and HCF, that is HCF of 72 comma 108 is equals to, HCF means what here? Smallest power of each common prime factor. Once here, out of this 2 cube and 2 square, smallest power is what? 2 square. That's why here 2 square. And 3 is also a common prime factor. And the smallest power is out of 3 square and 3 cube, smallest power is 3 square. That's why 2 square into 3 square. HCF of 72 and 108 is 2 square into 3 square. That is 4 into 9. It is equals to what? 36. Next, LCM of 72 comma 108. LCM means what here? Product of the greatest power of each prime factor. Greatest power of each prime factor. Out of this 2 cube and 2 square, greatest power means here 2 cube. And out of 3 square and 3 cube, greatest power is 3 cube. That equals to what? 2 cube means what? 8. And 3 cube means what? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 8 into 27. It is equals to what? Multiply these two. 27 8s. 8 7s are 56, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 5 21. That is 216 is the LCM of 72 comma 108. Next, take these two as the homework sums, that is 8, 9 and 25 and 306 and 657. For these two, find the HCF and LCM by the prime factorization method. Next problem is, check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. That is what? 6 to the power of n. For example, here I am taking in nth place some values, that is natural numbers. Natural numbers starting from 1. If n equals to 1. Then 6 to the power of 1. In nth place I am taking 1 is equals to what? 6. In the same way, n equals to 2. Then 6 to the power of nth place it is 2. 6 square means what? 36. And next, if n is equals to 3, that is 6 to the power of what? 3. It is equals to what? 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. Once you observe all these, here the last digit is what here? 6 6 6. That's our question is what? Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. If you observe these here, this 6 power n cannot end with the digit 0. Always it end with what? Only 6. Therefore, 6 power n cannot end with the digit 0. Next problem is explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. First check it out as 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Once you observe this, that is in these two 13 is common. Let it be common. Now the remaining here 7 into 11 and here 13 is common, no, into 1 plus and here also 1. Now 13 into 7 into 11 is equals to what? 77 plus here 1. That is, it is equals to what? 13 into 77 plus 1 is equals to what? 78. Once you observe this 13 and 78, these two are what? Prime numbers. These two are prime numbers. That is, product of two prime numbers is what? Composite number. Product of primes. Product of primes is a composite. That's why this 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is what? Composite number. Next, coming to the second one here. What is this? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. In these two, which one is common here? This 5 is the common number. Let 5 as a common, then the remaining is what? Here 7 into 6 into, here 5 is common, that is 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus, and here also 5 is a common, no? Now here the remaining is 1. Now it is equals to 5 into 7 into 6 is equals to what? 42 into 1. 42 into 1, 42. Now into 4 into 3 into 2. Here 2 into 1, 2. And now it is plus 1. Now it is equals to 5 into 42 into 4 is equals to what? 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 168 into 3 2s are how much? 6. And here it is what? Plus 1. Now it is equals to 5 into 168 into 6. That is 6 8 just how much? 48. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 4 equals to 40. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 4 10. 1008. And this is what? Plus 1. That is 5 into 1008 plus 1 is equals to what? 1009. That is, it is equals to what? 5 into 1009. Once you observe this 5 and 1009, what are this number? These two are prime numbers. These two are prime numbers. That's why this is a composite number. That is, this expressed as a product of primes. That's why these two are the composite numbers. Next one is, how will you show that 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5 is a composite number? Explain. Let us see. 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5. This is equals to, here once you observe these two, in these two 17 into 11, here also 17 into 11 is a common. That is, take this 17 into 11 as a common term. That is 17 into 11. Now here the remaining is what? Only 2 is remaining. Here plus, and here also the remaining is what? Only 5. Now it is equals to 17 into 11 into 2 plus 5 equals to 7. That is 17 into 11 into 7. Once you observe these three, 17, 11 and 7. These three are which numbers? Prime numbers. These three are prime. That is the product of prime numbers is what? Composite number. Product of primes equals to product of primes is a composite number. That's why the given term 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5 is a composite number. Take this as homework. That is, what is the last digit of 6 power 100?
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.